All right. It is Wednesday, January 10th, about 11:20 in the morning, West Coast, and I'm finished for the day. No trades today. Right now, I had been looking. I turned off my PA account at about 10:15, 10:30. So somewhere around here. I turned off my P account. And so in this, I've just been looking for a chance to take a trade with a runner on an evaluation. So I was just going to trade account number 31, was what I've been looking at for this past little bit, past hour or so, to see if I can just take a 4 contract trade with one runner. And there's actually this bar here. I was considering a trade off of this bar, but this bar is so big. I mean, 67 ticks. And I just didn't want to risk it, but I felt like that was probably a good trade. The thing is, even if I took that, I don't believe I would have got the runner. I think it would have came back and stopped me out on a break even +1. And then it would have eventually gone. So wouldn't have gone a runner there. So probably not worth it to try that on that one for me, considering 67 tick bar is a little bit richer than I was hoping to find. Otherwise, today I started about 6:50 in the morning, somewhere in this neighborhood. We had a big push down, and if you measure it, there's a further measured move here that we never reached. Now, we also had what looked like potentially kind of range play. And so when these candles were forming, I kind of like visually in my mind drew that. And I was actually considering taking a trade off of this bar. I was very strongly considering taking this bar for a long, because it looked like a triple test of the bottom. We had, made this low here, tested it here, tested it here, tested it here. I wanted this bar to be a little bit more bullish, but I was concerned about these bars stacking ahead of it as well. And so this was a 43 tick bar, not too bad on NQ. So if this finished more bullish, especially if it finished more bullish but didn't have so much stem, like if it closed where it closed but didn't have the stem on top, I would have taken it so that it could have easily gotten my scalp by the top of where this open and this where this close and this open of these two bars are. So because it had this stem, kind of doji-ish, and had this measured move down, I just figured, you know what, I'm not going to take a chance here and let it go by. And as you can see, it would have worked beautifully. If I had taken a runner on that would have worked beautifully for a runner as well. I wasn't looking to take a runner on this particular trade because I had my PA account on, and I'm not going to trade 4 contracts on that at this point. So let's see. Really just not much of a trading day here. Really not long after I started, it just, we had this push up, and then the rest of the day has just been a very slow grind up, just slow grinding up. And just really nothing to really take trades off of. The only trades I considered all day was this trade for the long and this trade for the long. And that was really it. There were some short possibilities, but I just felt like it was grinding higher the whole day, and I just didn't want to go counter trend. So I didn't do any of those. And so that's really it for the day. and 71% discount still going on. You can use this code or any other to buy Apex evaluations if you're interested. And the other thing they're doing right now that I forgot to mention yesterday is the 1-day pass. Usually you need 7 days to pass an evaluation, and can pass in 1 day. So that's another reason why I was looking to trade this evaluation with the 4 contracts and 1 runner. I've only got 1 day traded on that one so far. So you can see it's only up. I've only done 1 trade 1 day. And so I figured if I happen to catch one, maybe I'll pass it in 1 day. Who knows? So I'll probably, at a certain time of day, switch over to just that. So I can trade that way again tomorrow on just 1 eval and see if I can pass it in 1 day. The 1 day ends tomorrow at the close of the market. So I'll give that a shot 1 more day. It'll be an opportunity to try a runner out. I was kind of messing around with it yesterday after I was finished trading just on Sim, and I got 2 trades that were both winners, but neither one got a runner. So, and actually I said yesterday that the trade I did take yesterday would have got like a 28-point runner, but actually looking at it back after the fact, I actually think it would have stopped me out before it went and made that run. So I don't think I would have got a runner at all actually on that, just to break even. So I think that's really all there is to say for today, and we'll see how I do tomorrow. I'm 2-0 for the week, not bad, and 11-3 for January in the year so far. So and just a quick recap, my PA account, yesterday I took a trade on it. That was the 8th day traded on it, and I'm about halfway to the profit target to be able to request a payout. So I need 2 more days to trade, and then it'll take me certainly a number of days more than that to reach the profit target if I can manage to keep going in an upward trajectory, keep getting wins. I almost don't want to say it, but I haven't taken a loss yet on this PA. So every time I've taken a trade, they've been wins. Fortunately, the 3 losses I did get, I was not on the PA account for any of those. So obviously my way of thinking right now is just keep looking for just solid, good trades and only take those on the PA. And I can loosen up a little bit on some of these evaluations if I want to be a little bit more risky, but I'm not going to do it on the PA account. So I'm fine with not getting a trade on the PA, and I'm fine with waiting. If I don't get another trade tomorrow on it, that's fine too. When I take a trade, I want to feel confident and have my best chance for a win. Just keep taking these little scalps, 2 contracts each, and just slowly build to a payout. Once I get that first payout of my Apex career, then hopefully I can start opening things up a little bit more. But it's really important to me to get the payout, get my money back in my pocket, plus a few $100s, and then try to see if I can create a snowball effect. So that's it for me for today, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.